Feel about being in the finale of the All-Star season?
It is so unbelievable that we have made it to the finale. You know, I don't know who had written this from week one. I don't think we certainly.
Well, Vegas Vegas had 70-1.
70-1 odds. Hopefully, we make somebody a lot of money, right?
Any additional pressure?
I think you definitely feel pressure going into the finals, but I think that we've been very good this whole season of kind of keeping a level-headed mind, and I don't think he or I think it's our trophy to lose. It's our trophy to win. And that's such a great feeling going in, going, I've got nothing to lose. I'm going to go out there and put it all out on that dance floor with no fear of anything. And then, then hopefully you get the trophy, right?
Well, we've had such an incredible season. This season for us is already a win.
Yeah.
So we just want to end it the way we've danced it the entire time, is leaving it all on the floor.
Our worst case scenario at this point is that we got third place on the All-Star season. It's not that bad. What should they expect from our freestyle? The unexpected? I think our strategy going into freestyle was to be unpredictable. We didn't want to go out and do what we felt was safe. We are both doing dances that neither of us have done before. I've never done it. Tony's never done it. But we feel like you got to risk it. You got to go out and give the audience something they've never seen from you before and knock them off their socks, And it is a risk on one hand. It could completely fail because you've never seen this in a freestyle before. But, the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. And the reward could be pretty big this season.
Well, the thing is, everybody's going to bring their strength. And for us, we're stepping a little bit outside the box because this entire season has been about us taking risks. And that's exactly what we want to end it as. Taking a big risk, hopefully it pays off, but if it doesn't, we know we've given it all.
Absolutely.
And that's all that matters in the end.
How bad do you want to win?
Oh, you really want to win now. You're in the finals. It's just you and two other girls, and it's right there. It's right there. And I think Tony and I are actually in a really good position because we've been here before. We've been in third place, and we know what that feels like, and so it just kind of makes you even hungrier going, if we could just do better than we did last time. Because of the three of us, the two champions, one of them is going to lose this thing again. We could potentially win it again. Did that make any sense? For the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that didn't make any sense. It made sense in my head, but I couldn't get it out. Right?
I understand.
Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yes, I'm just as confused as you are. Don't worry, because for me, it's only fitting that I'm here in this spot right now with Melissa because the last time I was in the finals was with Melissa, and we're getting a second chance at this freestyle, and it's taken 8 seasons for me to get back here, so it's fine. I'm enjoying the process. We're staying very much in the moment. We're not trying to think too far ahead. We're just making sure that we enjoy ourselves, and that's the most important part.